In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to code your own Rocketmoney. We'll walk through a clear path to build a personal finance app that links bank accounts, tracks spending, detects subscriptions, and keeps you on budget. I'll explain each phase so you can adapt it to your stack and skill level as you go. Start by organizing your project so development feels effortless. Create a clean repository with a backend folder for APIs and jobs, a front-end folder for the app, and a shared area for types and utilities. Add environment variable support for secrets, a package manager, formatting and linting, and a basic test setup, a simple health check route, a placeholder homepage, and a connected state are enough to verify your wiring before you move on. Next, connect to bank accounts using a trusted aggregation provider that supports secure linking and read-only access. Implement the link flow in the client, exchange the public token for a server-side access token, and store it safely. Use a webhook or scheduled sync to pull transactions, and begin with a sandbox environment so you can test without touching real money. Keep security in mind, encrypt tokens at rest, and never expose them to the browser. Once you have data flowing, store transactions in a well-structured database. Use tables for users, accounts, transactions, categories, and merchants. Normalize currency and time zones, and add item potency and deduplication so retries won't create duplicates. Index by date and account for fast queries, and keep a raw description field alongside a cleaned, display-friendly one for matching and analytics. Detecting subscriptions is where the app feels smart. Look for recurring charges with similar merchant names and consistent amounts at regular intervals. A simple approach is to group by merchant, compare amounts within a small variance, and require at least 3 occurrences on a monthly or weekly cadence. Mark candidates as suggested and let users confirm or dismiss to improve accuracy over time. With transactions and subscriptions in place, create budgets and alerts. Allow users to set monthly limits by category, track progress as a percentage and in dollars, and optionally roll over unused amounts. Send alerts when a budget is nearing its limit, when a large transaction posts, or when a new recurring charge is detected. A daily or weekly summary can keep users informed without noise. Now build the interface. Offer a dashboard with account balances, recent activity, budget progress bars, and subscription cards. Add filters by date, account, and category, a subscription manager to pause or review recurring charges, and a budget editor with clear guidance. Handle loading and error states gracefully, and make navigation simple on both mobile and desktop. If you want to go further, add helpful extras like cash flow forecasts, fee detection, savings goals, or CSV export. Each enhancement should build on the solid foundation you've just created.